Enjoying the beautiful flowers.
This is like a marshland, Cynthia.
It's a mothland?
Yeah, because it's wet. It's water under here.
Wow. I'm hanging out with my cousin Dean, and she told me to look deep in the flower. And if I look deep in the flowers, then I'll see amazing things. Let's look together. Beautiful. We're enjoying a bed of beautiful flowers at Bear Branch Nature Center. And looking deep in the flowers, as she told me, look deep in the flowers. We're going deep. We're going deep. We're going deep. I'm looking deep in the flowers, cousin. Deep in the flowers. We're going deep. Looking deep in the beautiful flowers. See what we can find. Beautiful.